Hi, let's look at this question together. There were 537 students in Hall A and 481 students in Hall B. A teacher transfers some students from Hall A to Hall B so that both halls have an equal number of students. How many students were there in each hall after the transfer? Okay, looking at the question, as an adult, we know that we straight away can get 537 plus 481 divided by 2, and that will be the answer. But I suspect the purpose of this question is to introduce your child the concept of um, when moving objects from A to B, what is the implication and how do you calculate them? Okay, so let's do it in a model. Okay, so there were 537 students in Hall A, so I draw 537 a longer rectangle bar. Hall B, I draw 481 a shorter rectangle bar. Since I move some students from Hall A to Hall B and they will be equal after that, so what will happen is that I draw a U and I draw a unit U here, okay, and I assume that this part is going to move into here. Okay, so from the diagram itself, straight away I can see that 537 minus 481 will give me 56, and this 56 is equal to the length of 2U. So 2U is equal to 537 minus 481, U is equal to 56. Okay, is equal to 56, and hence U is equal to 56 divided by 2 is equal to 28. So after moving the student, Hall A will be 537 minus 28. Why? Because part of the student, one unit has moved over to Hall B, so you only left with one unit. So 537 minus 28, it will give me 509. Hall B will now be 481 plus 28. Why? Because now it's 481 plus 1U. Okay, will give me 509 as well. So the second method for the same question is what I mentioned just now. You simply know 537, 481. You can always find the total. This is how you represent it in a model. So total is 1018. Since both halls had the same number of students, after the move, you can say that 1018 divided by 2 is equal to 509, and hence Hall B is also 509. Hope it helps your child to understand better. Thank you.